let's learn how you can see Snapchat's chat with someone who blocked you on Snap. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device because method is the same for every phone. Now, let us start by opening our Snapchat application. Here you will have to go to your chats. There is two methods. So first one is if we open camera, take a snap, click on send to, and you will have to find a person. If you need to know if this person has blocked you. Now you will have to find that person. I will scroll right here, send it snap to them, and just click on their chats. And if you have something saved, it will show. Now, if you can't find this person, you can go to your profile, click on settings, and just download your data here, and there will be a button to download it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.